So if you're taking local variable, okay, so you guys know what is local variable, right? What is local variable? The variable mentioned inside a method. Okay, here I have taken a method called main. Okay, so main is also a method. Inside I have declared a value a equal to b equal to c equal to d equal to 9. All the four variable is going to be same. That is what I mentioned here. So will this throw any error? Will this throw any error? Executing this program, you will get an error called, so this variable a equal to b equal to c equal to d, right? So this all three variable is not declared. This is actually assigned with the variable a declaration, and it will be assigned with the value 9. Okay, so the remaining b, c and d is not actually declared. Okay, what will happen? This is going to throw an error. 3 error will come because 3 variable is not declared now. So what is my program name? Java C tutorial underscore 3 dot java. So you'll get an error. 1 minute. Program name is what? Tutorial 1. Sorry. Tutorial 1. You'll get an error regarding this variable cannot be found. So you'll get an error called, okay, so a value is initialized but b, c, d, okay, so cannot find the symbol b, c, d, b is not found, c is not found, and d is not found. Even all the three values are mentioned here, a equal to b equal to c equal to d, all the three value b, c, d is mentioned. The error is a is found. Okay, so you will be getting cannot find symbol for b, c, d. Okay, you will be having 6 error because so that is there in a two different part. B is here also and here also, and c is here, c is here, d is here, d is here. That is why you got the 6 error. Okay, because these symbols are not defined. Okay, so if I want to work on this, what I supposed to do, I have to declare the variable first and I have to assign. Okay, so in case of a declaration itself, you are not supposed to assign any value. So if you have declared the value and if you are initializing all the values are equal, and if you are assigning a same value 9, then that is not a problem. Okay, so that case I'll be executing the same program with the redeclaration value. My class name is lwd class. So I'll get a output 9999. Okay, so what I supposed to do, if I initialize all the element or equal element, so I have to first declare all the variable and I have to go initialize in the second line. If you are doing all those things in a single line, this is going to throw an error because the last value a and the 9 is going to be assigned and the remaining value is not going to assign because the stack value is going to be taken in the Java heap memory. Okay, got it? So this is how the variable inside a main method is going to be defined. Apart from this, we will be having a case sensitivity. You're not supposed to use, suppose you will be having a here, okay, but you will be having initialization here as capital A small a, then it is going to be an case sensitive error. And one more thing, so you can't define a keyword for the variable name, right? This is common for each and everything. Okay, so here I have a one variable name is a int. Okay, so this is going to throw a semantic error. Okay, so you can't use a keyword as variable name, that is not allowed. And the basic rules for a variable and identifier, the same thing is applicable for a local variable. That's it. Okay, I hope everyone clear with